Our rose of Sharron did well for 2 years. Last year, it lost about a third of its upper branches. This year, it lost another third of its upper branches. There doesn't appear to be any fungus or growth on the bark. Why has our rose of Sharron lost 2/3 of its branches over the last 2 years? We'd appreciate any help you can offer. Thank you. And this is Spike. So what do you think about that, the rose of Sharron?
I would like to have seen a picture.
It would have been nice. Okay.
It would like, because yeah, I understand. Some rose of Sharron gets like that because it gets bugs and things.
Right, right.
It's good for pollinators and bugs.
Yeah.
But it will take it out. Obviously, if sections are dying at a time, makes me think of something that is cutting off the the flow of nutrients to that area of the tree. And what does that? Borers.
Borers.
You know,
yes.
Some kind of canker. Could be
Yeah.
a canker on the
Could be
tree.
canker.
Anything that affects the bark on the outside where the xylem and flow into the tree.
I would agree with that. I do have a rose of Sharron at home, and I can tell you this, they don't really have major issues, but canker is the first thing I think of, right? Or wood borers, which are secondary pests. So it means that the...
Ooh, it could be stressed.
Yeah, it could be stressed, right. So yeah, anytime you lose limbs, don't have any leaves on the upper canopy of trees, I always think about something's compromising the flow of water and nutrients.
Yeah.
So Spike, I would search, at the lower half, of my rose of Sharron to see if there's any cankers, any wood borers. Maybe you hit it with a lawnmower, weed eater. It's definitely stressed, but that's what I think the problem could be.
Yeah.
Either cankers or wood borers.
Sounds right. Sounds like it could be.
All right. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.